In this video, I'll show you how to make sound effects with Elevenlabs. First, open your web browser, go to the Elevenlabs website, and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, open the sound effects tool from the dashboard. Next, click the prompt box and describe the sound effect you want to create. Be as specific as possible by including details such as the type of sound, the environment, the intensity, and the duration. For example, you can describe footsteps, rain, explosions, crowd noise, or ambient background sounds. Now, click the Generate button and wait a few moments while Elevenlabs creates your sound effect. Once it's ready, play the preview to hear the result. After that, if the sound isn't exactly what you wanted, edit your prompt and generate another version. Continue refining your description until you're happy with the final result. Finally, click the Download button to save the sound effect to your device. You can now use it in videos, games, podcasts, presentations, or other creative projects, depending on your usage rights. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to make sound effects with Elevenlabs. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.